Is it time to buy or sell Plus Therapeutics stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Plus Therapeutics. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 7th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 6th of March, 2025, our system has ranked Plus Therapeutics as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 5.25. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 9.03%. This results in an average return of 4.51% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of negative 12.81% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 83.87% to negative 12.81%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 36.11%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from negative 88.21% to negative 25.96% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between 18.5 cents and $1.16. Our latest daily update for Plus Therapeutics includes the headline, High Volatility in Plus Therapeutics Incorporated Stock Price on Friday, which ended trading at $1.57. The Plus Therapeutics Incorporated stock price gained 9.03% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 7th of March, 2025, rising from $1.44 to $1.57. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to gain or takes a minor break in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 81.88% from a day low of $1.27 to a day high of $2.31. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still up by 30.83% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 230 million shares, with a total of 103 million shares bought and sold for approximately $161.11 million. It is important to consider that falling volume on higher prices can create divergence and may serve as an early warning about possible changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $2.67 and the lowest price was 24 cents. Currently, the price is 41.20%, or $1.10, below the 52-week high, and 98.95%, or $148.43, below the all-time high on the 24th of May, 2018, when the price reached $150. Plus Therapeutics, which trades under the symbol PSTV, has recently made noteworthy advancements that may positively influence its stock price in both the short and long term. On the 7th of March, 2025, the FDA granted Orphan drug designation to Plus Therapeutics' investigational drug, rhenium-186 obisbemeta, for the treatment of leptomeningeal metastases in lung cancer patients. This designation not only enhances the drug's profile, but also has the potential to accelerate its development and provide financial incentives for the company, which are essential for a clinical-stage biotech firm. In addition to this momentum, a peer-reviewed publication in Nature Communications presents encouraging Phase 1 trial results for the same drug in treating glioblastoma patients. The data reveals an impressive median overall survival of 17 months for patients receiving the treatment, marking a significant improvement over standard therapies. Such validation from the scientific community helps to strengthen investor confidence and may encourage potential stock purchases. Furthermore, the company successfully secured approximately $15 million through a private placement, enhancing its financial resources to further advance its therapies. Collectively, these factors position Plus Therapeutics favorably, increasing its appeal to investors interested in innovative cancer treatments. With bolstered research credibility, new funding, and recent FDA designations, PSTV is poised for bullish trading activity in the near term, potentially leading to a more favorable long-term outlook as product development progresses successfully. Analyst ratings on Friday, the 15th of November, 2024. It was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned PSTV a buy grade along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 3rd of September, 2024, it was reported that Ascendiant also gave PSTV a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Plus Therapeutics stock a general sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Plus Therapeutics. Plus Therapeutics Inc. stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive forecast for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, with a long-term average positioned above the short-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support is anticipated at levels of 82 cents and $1.12. A decline below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, March 4th, 2025, and thus far, the stock has appreciated by 419.52%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day, despite a rise in prices. This discrepancy between volume and price may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Additionally, some negative signals have emerged, which could influence short-term developments. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal arising from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 4 days ago. Bollinger suggested a buy signal 8 days ago. The short-term moving average signaled a buy 3 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 14 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average signaled a buy 3 days ago. The long-term moving average again indicated a buy 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 170 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Plus Therapeutics. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $1.44 and $1.20. There is an inherent risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this could result in the stock falling to the next support level. In this case, Plus Therapeutics Inc. sees support just below today's level at $1.44. Should this level be breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $1.20. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be of very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.04 between its high and low, which is an 81.88% change. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 105.16%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Plus Therapeutics, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or negative earnings. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of the year 2025 is anticipated on the 13th of May, 2025. Analysts have consensus estimates set at negative 513 thousandths of a dollar. It is essential to monitor these figures closely as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Plus Therapeutics. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could rise quickly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine the right moment to exit. On the downside, Plus Therapeutics encounters its first support level at $1.44. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, allowing for the anticipation of a rebound. The combined average rating for Plus Therapeutics from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 18th of February, 2025, Hawkins Richard J. conducted an insider purchase of 40,122 shares of stock option, which is the right to buy. On the 18th of February, 2025, Klaus Howard conducted an insider purchase of 40,122 shares of stock option, which is the right to buy. On the 18th of February, 2025, Sims Andrew John Hugh McIntyre conducted an insider purchase of 60,020 shares of stock option, which is the right to buy. On the 18th of February, 2025, Lenk Robert P. conducted an insider purchase of 40,122 shares of stock option, which is the right to buy. On the 18th of February, 2025, Vaness Johansson Ann conducted an insider purchase of 40,122 shares of stock option, which is the right to buy. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive with a ratio of 97.467. In total, insiders purchased 2,990,269 shares and sold 3,568 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $1.52, reflecting a decrease of 3.36%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a high level of risk. Recently, a buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom identified 3 days ago. Is Plus Therapeutics stock a wise investment? Plus Therapeutics Inc. displays several promising indicators. Although the stock has been on a downward trend, we believe it presents a favorable opportunity at its current levels. We anticipate that Plus Therapeutics Inc. will experience strong performance over the next 3 months. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 10th of March, we expect Plus Therapeutics to open higher by approximately 14.7 cents, starting at a price of $1.72. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What target do you have for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.